Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to sign out of your Kwik Rewards application using your mobile device. To sign out of Kwik Rewards application, the process is quite easy. First of all, launch open the Kwik Rewards app on your device. Once you're inside the main homepage, if you want to sign out of your account, tap on the More button at the bottom right corner. From the More menu, scroll down and tap on Settings. On the next page where it says Settings, tap on Sign Out, which should be located at the very bottom of the screen. Click on Sign Out once again and you will be able to log out or sign out of Kwik Rewards app. Remember that you will need to enter your credentials every time you log in, so make sure you have a hold of it. And that's how you can easily sign out of Kwik Rewards application. If the video was helpful to you at all, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.